In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a number to a string in JavaScript. This is a small but essential skill you'll use all the time, especially when you need to display numbers in the user interface, build messages, or send values as text. We'll keep it simple and focus on the recommended built-in approach so you can use it confidently in any project. Let's start with a plain number. Imagine you have a variable that holds a numeric value, for example, const num equals sign 123. Right now, that variable is of the number type, which means you can do math with it, but you can't treat it like text. If you want to turn that 123 into the text 123, the clearest way is to call the toString method on it. Here's the conversion. Const str equals sign num dot toString. When you call toString, JavaScript creates a new string that represents the number's value. It doesn't change the original number, it simply returns a separate string. That's why we store it in a new variable called str. After this line runs, str holds the characters 123, not the numeric 123. To see the result, you can log it, console log str. In your console, you'll see 123 printed with quotation marks, which indicates it's a string. This explicit conversion is recommended because it's readable, predictable, and makes your intent crystal clear to anyone reading your code. A few helpful notes while you use toString. First, this method is available on any valid number in JavaScript, including negatives and decimals. It uses base 10 by default, which is exactly what you want for everyday text display. Also, the original number remains unchanged, so you can safely reuse num for calculations while using str for display. If you're typing a number literal directly and calling toString immediately, remember that JavaScript parses 123.toString a bit awkwardly. To avoid syntax issues, wrap the number in parentheses like 123. ToString or assign it to a variable first, as we did. Sticking to the variable approach keeps your code clean and easy to maintain. Finally, using toString makes your code more robust than relying on automatic type coercion, and it communicates intent clearly in a team setting. Anytime you need a number as text, whether for concatenating into a message, building a URL, or formatting output, reach for num.toString. That's all you need to convert a number to a string in JavaScript with confidence.